Hi, it's Lori from Recipe Girl, and today I'm going to show you how to make my triple berry salad. This is a great summer salad because it showcases beautiful fresh berries that you can find all summer long. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is make the sugared almonds. Take a small non-stick skillet, put 3 tablespoons of sugar in that skillet. Then you're gonna add some slivered almonds once that sugar gets kind of melty. And you just keep stirring until the sugar is completely melted onto the almonds and the almonds get nice and browned. So you're gonna set that aside to cool while you prepare the rest of your salad, and we're ready to make the salad dressing. Add about 2 tablespoons of strawberry jam, 2 tablespoons of the white balsamic vinegar. I really want the berries to shine and be beautiful in the salad, and if you use regular balsamic vinegar, it's gonna give it a brown tint. Okay, next we're gonna chop about a tablespoon of fresh parsley. And next we're going to add a little bit of Dijon mustard that just gives it a tiny bit of spice without being overwhelming, and a little bit of sea salt, a few grinds of pepper, a 1/3 cup of olive oil. Just take a fork and you're gonna whisk it all together. And now it's time to assemble the salad. So I've got a bowl of mixed greens here. You can use any greens you like. And to those greens, I'm going to start with the berries. I've chosen my 3 favorites, which are strawberries and blueberries and blackberries. The next thing we're gonna do is just add a little bit of chopped green onion. And we're gonna add a fresh avocado, chunky gorgonzola cheese we're adding on top. It's delicious with berries. And the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add those sugared almonds that we made at the beginning. And that's just gonna give a great texture to this salad. And we're ready to add the dressing. So we just need to give it a little bit of a toss so that it coats all the pieces. And we are ready to serve. And there you go, there's my triple berry salad with sugared almonds. You're gonna love this one. For this recipe and more, visit recipegirl.com.